Hello everybody, this is a Lamley unboxing Hot Wheels 2023 US B case. I already did the short card thanks to A&J Toys, so we know what models are inside, but it's always fun to open a new case. This one came from Mattel. They sent this along with the C case. So we're catching up, we're getting there. It means these are all out or coming out, right? B, I know people have seen it. I think I've seen remnants of it in the store. So this is this is catching up, but always fun to see what is in a Hot Wheels case. You know, Matchbox cases are typically the same, but they've introduced chases. Hot Wheels cases, you never know what you're gonna find. Sometimes you find a super, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you find an error. Sometimes you find a cool Moon Eyes cool combi, which we know we're going to do right now. Let's just get right to it and see what we've got. I am outside, it's cold, but it's sunny. There is that cool combi, that Moon Eyes cool combi. It seems like the perfect combination, kind of a match made in heaven. Absolutely love this model. I know it's going to be a Zamak. I hope we get a recolor in black like we've seen with the Moon Eyes. Enough on that one. Desert Drifter, we have seen that. And there's the Fast Bed Hauler. And we'll just, I'm going to move some stuff around. Oh, highlights, right? That's a B case highlight for sure. We'll put that off to the side. All right, the cool combi. All right, coupe clip, that's a highlight. That's a very cool one. It looks like a key fob. I think I've talked about that in the B case. Subaru WRX STI and the Dodge van. Those look cool. DiMancini Veloci, that is a very cool version of that, very Italian. There is the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster in black, and there is a Dodge Maxima drift car, kind of a lighter color on what I've seen, but it might be the sun. And we got a little bit of a wheel error on that too, right? Anyway, that's a highlight of that case for sure. I love what they're going to do with the Dodge Maxima drift car. We're just going to see lots of cool stuff. Millions of these on the pegs, unless it's a Super. People have picked those up, seen those around. That's the TV series Batmobile. Super in the A case. Bentley Continental GT3 in green. That's a highlight for this case for sure. There'll be a recolor in silver. And another Dodge van. Roadster Bite, Nissan Patrol Custom, and the Dragon wheels. I know those last two are holdovers from the last case. All right, these are new to this case, right? We've already seen them in the short car, but this is the 2023 Nissan Z in blue. Love this color. Good combination of these so far. White, yellow, and now this blue. And I think they've all gotten the taillights. Thankfully, those other Zs didn't. I'm gonna kind of go to this angle. And then the Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid Sport Turismo. All highlights, so we'll put those off to the side. Put that there. Pontiac Firebird, there's another drift car, and the Baja Hauler. Tesla Model Y new casting for this year, 2023, in white. Highlight for sure. We'll put it off to the pile. Nice version of this, nice and clean, but has a little bit of that spoiler, kind of some sportiness to it. Makes it different from the Hot Wheels or from the Matchbox version. Rally Special and the Surfin' School Bus. Standard cart, Turbine Sublime, and there is the Volvo P1800 Gasser. Another highlight, new casting, Legends winner right there. And I think it was from the UK, right? Was there where that winner came from? And there's a dropped car I'll have to pick up later because it fell in the snow. Surf Crate, that's your regular treasure hunt. Learned that from the short card. There's the symbol right there, and it's also on the roof of the car, but you can see it on the card as well. Love the LB Super Silhouette Nissan Silvia, and then the Poison Arrow. Another DiMancini Veloci custom small block, and another Bentley. And finish off this first half, get that pushed up. Rally Special, Volvo P1800 Gasser, and the Hot Wired. All right, let's pull this and move some stuff around. Let's see how we can do there. Let's see what we've got in the second half. All right, another TV series Batmobile, a Quick Bite, and a 84 Mustang. Hot Wheels kit concept in the car deco. There's another Nissan Silvia, and here's the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Now, I know since this has been out, everyone knows what to look for, but that looks that way if it looked this way, it would be the Super. Hot Wheels, Mattel sent over the Super treasure hunt. So you can do a comparison there. Spectraflame Red, pretty easy to see, right? Wheels definitely stand out. Spectraflame Red stands out. That's how you'd see them if you opened a case, right? You would definitely know whether you got the Super or not, but highlights nonetheless. The regular version's really cool. We'd be singing that car's praises without it being a Super. I'm trying to see if we see any other. I don't see it, so I think that was the only. Either get the basic or you get the Super, right? Yeah, that's how it looks. All right, Corvette C7, Subaru WRX, and the Custom 11 Camaro. I think the Corvette is new to this case. TV series Batmobile again, Pagani from the last case, and the Sweet Driver. Kit Concept, Teed Off 2, and the Dragon Wagon. We can bust through these now. Desert Drifter, Track Manga, and another Vet. Seen it, seen it, seen it. Baja Bone Shaker, don't know if we've seen it. Ford Sierra Cosworth, I think that was in the last case. And the El Camino, that is new with the cool classic wheels. That looks nice. Eruption, Toilet Car, the Gotta Go, and the Skate Grom. Now I'm just reaching and I just got backwards. Ford Sierra Cosworth, Pontiac Firebird, and the Ford Escort RS200. Very European in that with the Firebird mixed in. Custom 11 Camaro, Porsche Panamera Turbo, and the Roger Dodger. Cool deco on that. Man, I could do unboxings like that, right? One, and then switch it. And then we'll finish off, me bumping the microphone, I'm sorry, with the 70s van art car, another Escort, and the Bricking Trails. All right. There you go. That is the B case highlights. Let's push this back and let's see. The Z is one, the Porsche is another. Volvo and Tesla, the new models for sure. 300 SL, Super and regular for sure. Bentley for sure. Another car just fall. Oh. Maxima wagon for sure. Coupe Clip for sure. And I still think this is the best thing in the case, is the Moon Eyes Cool Combi. That's your best car. You guys tell me what you think. Thank you, everybody. We're back on track for 23. Lamley Awards are over. 2022 is done. It is nice to be in the future. Thanks, everybody. Bye.